Hello my cutie pies, welcome back to maths class. Today we are going to learn the new lesson. So do you know the lesson name, children? Yeah, what is the lesson name? Subtraction. Okay, this is your third lesson. Okay, now under this lesson we are going to try now test yourself 3. Okay, so this is nothing but what and all you have studied in the last year. We are going to just recall that. Okay, are you all ready for this? I hope yes. Okay, so let us see the first main. See the first main here. Subtract 0 from the following number. What do you have to do here? You have to subtract 0 from the given numbers. Okay, so let me tell you children, before doing this sum, when you are subtracting 0 from any number, you will get the same number as answer. Let me repeat once again. When you are subtracting 0 from any number, you will get the same number as answer. Okay. Example, 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 means how much? 5. 0 means nothing. So when you are minusing 0 from 5, you will get 5 as the answer. 10 minus 0, 10. 20 minus 0, 20. 100 minus 0, 100. Okay. So now let us move on to the first main. So here you see 10 minus 0. How much? 10. 23 minus 0. 23. 14 minus 0. 14. So just see the answer here. What happens? In the answer you will get the same number. When you are subtracting 0 from the number, you will get the same number as the answer. See here 10 minus 0 is 10. 23 minus 0 is 23 only. 14 minus 0 is 14 only. That means what? When you are subtracting 0 from any number, you will get the same number as the answer. Understood? See D, 52 minus 0. Now you tell me how much? 52 minus 0, how much? 52. 81 minus 0? 81. Yes. Now you understood children? When you are subtracting 0 from any number, you will get the same number as the answer. Example, you can see here it says 52 minus 0 gives 52 only. 81 minus 0 gives 81 only. Yes? Okay. Now let us move on to the second main. What is this here? Subtract the number from itself. So what you have to do here? You have to subtract the number from itself. Same number you have to subtract. Okay. So and note the difference. You have to note the difference also. Difference means what? Nothing but answer. Okay. Yes. Let me tell you one thing. When you are subtracting the number from itself, you will get the answer as 0. Let me say how. Now example 3 minus 3 is there. Okay. For this 3 got cancelled. So the answer is 0. Okay. Example 5 minus 5. So now 5 is in hand, 5 is in mind. So now I want to minus 5 from 5. Let me see how. So here it is 5. From this 5 I have to minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much is remaining? Nothing is remaining. That means answer is 0. So when you are minusing or subtracting the number from itself, you will get the answer as 0. Let us see here. 8 minus 8. Let me draw and show you. Here 8 lines I will draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from this 8 I have to minus 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how much is remaining? Can you see anything there? There is nothing remaining. That means answer is 0. Answer is 0. Similarly, 17 minus 17. How much? 0. 33 minus 33? 0. Why? Because you are subtracting the 33 from same number itself. So the answer is 0. 10 minus 10? 0. 49 minus 49? 0. So now we finished subtracting the number from itself, what they have asked, and note the difference. What is the difference you got here? See, everywhere you got the answer as 0. That means when you're subtracting the number from itself, you will get the 0 as answer. Understood now, children? So this is the two things you have to keep it in mind. Which and all? When you are subtracting 0 from any number, you will get the same number as answer. When you are subtracting number from itself, means from the same number you have subtracted, means you will get 0 as the answer. This is what two things you have to keep it in mind. Yes? Okay, let us move on to the third main then. And then let us discuss the third main. Okay. So subtract on the number line. So here what they have given? You have to subtract on the number line. So you already known to you, right? It is how to draw the number line. Yeah, let us draw the number line first. Children, here I have drawn the number lines now. I have started from 0 and I have written till 20 here, and in second line I have started from 0 and I have written till 21. It's your wish, you can continue or else you can stop here itself. Okay, no issues. So let us see first 20 minus 8. So what I have to do now? I have to minus 8 from 20. Okay, so let me draw the lines now. So I will draw the lines 0 to 20. Okay, now from this I have to subtract 8. Okay, yes, let me see. From here to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's the answer I got now? I got 12 as the answer. When I'm subtracting 8 from 12, when I'm subtracting 8 from 20, I got the answer as 12. 12. Okay, I have started from here, right? I have started from here counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer I got here? 12 is the answer. Next one, let us see next one. So 17 minus 11. 17 minus 11. So now let me draw 17, or let me mark 17, 0 to 17. Yes, here it is 17. Now how much I have to subtract here? I have to subtract 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what is the answer? You got 6 as the answer. 17 minus 11 is equal to 6. Okay? 17 minus 11 is equal to 6. Now you understood, children? What you have to do? First you have to mark the given number. Then from that you have to start subtracting the smallest number, so that where you will stop, that itself is the answer. So 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. 17 minus 11 is equal to 6. Now you understood, children, how to do? I hope the remaining sums you will do yourself. Yes, let us move on to the next main then. Children, now let us discuss the fourth main. So what they have given here? Find the difference. What you have to do? You have to find the difference. Difference means what? Nothing but answer. Answer of subtraction or result of subtraction is called difference. Okay? Result of subtraction or answer of subtraction is called difference. So let us see how to do this. Okay? So here they have given like this. What I will do? I will write the greatest number first like this. 35. From this I will minus this, minus 21. Okay, now let us subtract. 5 minus 4. Okay, yes, sorry, 5 minus 1. From 5 you have to minus 1. 5 minus 1. 1. If you taken 1, how much is remaining? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is remaining. Okay. Now 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 1, 2. So how much is remaining? 1. So what's the answer you got? 14 is the answer. Okay. Move on to the next sum. 47 minus 35. Okay. Now what you have to do first? You have to minus 5 from 7. Okay. Always you are subtracting. Keep it in mind. You have to start from ones place. This is called which place? Ones place, tens place, right? Like this, right? Ones and tens, and even here also ones and tens. So always you have to start subtracting from ones place. Okay. 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much is remaining? 2. Okay. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. How much is remaining? 1. So what's the answer you got? 12. 12 is the answer. Okay. Now let us move on to the next one. Let me write the place value first. 92. 2 comes here. 9 comes here. Minus 51. Okay. Yes. Now let us minus. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1. 9 minus 5, let us see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much is remaining? 4. So what's the answer you got here? 41. Yes. Have you understood, children, how to subtract? I hope you have understood. Remaining sums you have to do yourself. Okay? Yes, children, now let us see how to subtract here. So what they have given? Subtract by counting backward. So you have to subtract this by counting backwards. Backwards numbers you know, right? How to say the backwards number? 100, 99, 98, 97. In that way we are coming back, right? So that such numbers are known as the backward numbers. When you are counting backwards, they are calling as the backward numbers. Example, if you started from 60, how will you count backward numbers from 60? 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55 and so on. If you started from 10, how will you count the backward numbers? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and so on. If you started from 88, how will you count the backward numbers? 88, 87, 86, 85, 84 and so on. Yes, similarly, here we have to subtract by counting backward. So here you see first sum, 62 minus 5 is there. So from 62 you have to minus 5. How? By counting the backward. By counting the backward. Let me tell you easy method how to count the backward number. So how much we have to subtract? We have to subtract 5. So let me draw 5 lines now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now let us start counting the backward. So 62 is there. Backward number. Which is the backward number or back number of 62? 61. Let us count. 61, 60, 59, 58, 57. So what's the number you got here? 57. Got the answer now? How to write the answer? Let me show you one more method. 45 minus 8. So how much we have to subtract here? We have to subtract 8. So let me draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So now 8 lines are over. So I have to start from which number? Backward number of 45. So 45 before which number will come? 44. Let me count. 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37. So where did I stop now? I stopped to 37. So what's the answer you got now? 37. Okay? Yes. Move on to this. 54 minus 7. So I have to minus 7 from 54. Let me draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Yes. Which is the back number of 54? 53. So let me start counting from 53. 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47. Where did I stop now? To 47. So what's the answer? 47 is the answer. Okay. Let us see one more example. Here you see 75 minus 6. Now how much I have to minus? I have to minus 6 from 75. Okay. Now let me draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Yes. So which is the back number of 75? 74. We have to take the back number and we have to start counting from there. Okay. 74. Let me count from 74. 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69. So what's the answer I got now? 69. Yes, this is the way you have to do. For what? For subtract by counting backward. Understood, children? I hope you have understood this method. Children, now let us discuss the sixth main. So see here, what remains when A is subtracted from B? So here you have to find what remains when A is subtracted from B. So when A is subtracted from B. Okay, so let us see, this is nothing but by looking itself you can make out this is nothing but subtraction with borrowing. Why? Because you see the number which is there up is 7 and down you got 8. Means from 7 you cannot minus 8. What you have to do? You have to borrow. So this is nothing but subtraction with borrowing. So let us see, let me work out here and let me show you. First let us write the place value, tens and ones. Okay, so let me write the number 7, 3 minus 8, 1. So now what I have to do now here? I have to subtract 18 from 37. Let us see how to do this. From 7, can you minus 8, children? No, you cannot minus 8. Why? Because 7 is the smaller number, 8 is the bigger number. So you cannot minus the bigger number from the smaller number. So what you have to do then? You have to borrow from the back number. Okay, or the number which is there in tens place. The number which is there in tens place. You have to borrow. Let us see how to do that method. How to borrow. Strike out the 7 and write 7 on the top of the number. Okay, now strike out this number. From this number, you have to take 1. How much you have to take? You have to take 1. Always remember, while borrowing, you have to take 1. How much you have to take? You have to take 1. That 1 which I have taken from here, I will write here in front of the number or before the number. Sorry, not front of the number, back of the number or before the number I will write that 1. See, I have taken 1 from here. From 3 I have taken 1. When it comes here, I have written here. Before 7 I have written. So now here it becomes 17. Here it becomes 17. And what about here? I have taken 1 from 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So now here it becomes 2. Now from 17 minus 8. How much 17 minus 8? Let us see. Let me draw 17 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now I have drawn 17 lines. From this I have to minus 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us see how many lines are left now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many lines are left? 9. That means 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. So 2 minus 1, how much? 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is the answer you got now? 19. So what is the difference? Difference is 19. 37 minus 8, difference is 19. Move on to the next sum. Tens, ones or 1 tens. Okay, 42 minus 25. So let me write 2 comes here, 4 comes here, minus 25. 5 comes here, 2 comes here. Yes. Now let us see. Children, now 2 is there from 2. Can you able to minus 5 from 2? Can you minus 5, children? No. Why? 2 is the smallest number. 5 is the biggest number. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from tens place. The number which is there in tens place. How much you have to borrow? 1. Okay, yes, so let us see what you have to do. When we have taken 1 from here, that means what? 1/10. We are taking the 1/10. Keep it in mind. Okay, yes, so let me strike out this 2 and I will write up 2. Now what I have to do? I have to strike out this number also, and from this number I have to take 1 and that I have to write here. So now it becomes 12. Okay. 12, and how much is here now? 4 minus 1. 1 we have taken. From 4 tens we have taken 1 10. So how many tens are left now? 3 tens. Here it is 3. Okay. Yeah. Now 12 minus 5. How to find? Let me draw 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much I have to subtract? I have to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see how many lines are left now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what's the answer? You got 7. So 12 minus 5 is 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. Let us see here. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So what is the answer you got now? 42 minus 25 is difference is 17. Difference is 17. Move on to the next term. Okay. You can write ones and tens. Now you write 81. 1, 8 minus 39. 9 and 3. Okay. Now, from 1, can you minus 9, children? No, because 1 is smaller than 9. So, what you have to do? You have to borrow from 8 tens. From 8 tens, 1 10 you have to borrow. So, let me strike out. I will write the same number here. Let me strike out this number also. From here, I have taken 1, 2 here. So, now it becomes 11 here. And 8 minus 1 is 7. Now, here how much is remaining? Here it is remaining 7 tenths. Okay? Yes. 11 minus 9. Let me draw 11 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many lines are left now? 2. So 11 minus 9 is 2. How much is here now? 7. 7 minus 3. How much? Use your fingers and count and tell me. 7 minus 3. How much, children? Yeah, it is 4. So what's the answer you got now? 42. Okay. So the difference is 42. Now we understood, children, how to do this means? I hope you have understood and you will do the remaining yourself. Okay, children? Yes. Thank you, children.